Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to disconnect your Bluetooth speaker to your phone, so as you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect it in our phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect it. Then guys, scroll and guys you can see your Bluetooth setting. So guys, click on your Bluetooth setting. You can see guys this JBL Go speaker guys we have connected in our Xiaomi phone, and guys you want to disconnect. Right side guys you can see this arrow. So guys tap here and guys click on unpair to disconnect. Then guys this Bluetooth speaker will disconnect to your phone, and guys we will off it. So I friends, you have understood how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.